My life dedicated to the couple, Mr. and Mrs. Ayan and Queenie Fernandez, to the Quadro T. All my life. This is for you guys. Happy wedding. God bless you. All my life, without a doubt, I give you all my life. Now and forever till the day I die. You and I will share all the things this changing world can offer. So I see I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. We started on our way. I to recall that every moment spent was wasted time. But then I choose to lay it on the line. I put the past away, put the past away. I put the past away. Once again, congratulations. Happy 40th wedding anniversary to Mr. and Mrs. Ayan and Queenie Fernandez with a Quadro T. Travis, Terence, Trevor, and Tyrone. Love you. And all the couple who have celebrated their wedding anniversary this month. Congratulations. God bless you. All my life, I will carry you through. All my life, between each hour of the passing days, I will stay with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. We started on our way. I do recall that every moment spent was a wasted time. But then I choose to lay it on the line. I want this on my life. 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 That's for Queenie and Diane.